Hi folks, Richard Fontaine here, and thank you for checking out my review of Zero to Hero. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build up your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, that's what I said, folks, $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity, so grab it, and I have identified the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review of Zero to Hero. And you can grab that one from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and I'll give you my 5 exceptional bonuses. Bonus number 1, learn how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. Bonus number 2, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. Bonus number 3, learn how to gain recurring income online easily. And bonus number 4, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And bonus number 5, you will learn how to understand today's affiliate marketing trends. Now let's get on with the review. In a nutshell, when you get inside Zero to Hero, it'll teach you how to create a faceless YouTube channel using the power of AI, and how to monetize through affiliate programs and the YouTube partnership program. And by the way, it's cheap like borscht. And you get a step-by-step system that gives you everything you need to know to make money online today. It'll show you how to set and forget a system. So you just set it up and watch the money flow in. It's 100% friendly, so there's really no need for tech skills. It's new in on the market, so it's never seen before. And you don't have to wait for results. And that means you get buyer traffic today. And you get a 90-day money-back guarantee. Now, here's what you need to know about Zero to Hero. The vendors and creators are Fergal Downs, Max Gerstenmaier, and Al Cheeseman. Now, Fergal Downs and Max Gerstenmaier are my coaches. And Al Cheeseman, I have bought many products from him in the past. So these are 3 great people who have created a slew of products and are well-known vendors on the Warrior Plus platform. Now, you can get training on how to implement Zero to Hero, and that really is a free traffic hack. You can promote it as your own with the done-for-you products and funnels. You get a done-for-you multiple-day autoresponder, which is a great deal in and of itself. You receive real case studies. And it's simple, with just a 3-step process. So you get your link, you can activate it, and then turn on the traffic sources. So imagine how amazing you will feel if you wake up with a notification of a sale every day. And this means making passive profits with 100% free traffic. Now, this is what Zero to Hero is all about. It's not just about making the money, though. It is, which is a good thing. It's about being able to free up your life so that you can hope for a better future. Now, if you want to know more, click Zero to Hero link below. And before I go, make sure you check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. And my 5 bonuses, as they'll show you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members, and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. They'll show you how to create a recurring passive income online. They'll show you how to act as like a middleman on Fiverr, so that when you get an order for a high converting gig, as an example, get someone on Fiverr at a much lower price and then sell it to your buyer, and you become the middleman because you can pocket the difference in the process. And number 4, show you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system and gain $186 using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day running the entire system. And not only that, you receive a done-for-you high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 will show you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliates, plus much, much more. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.